Hello, in this video, we'll cover how to add salary in Zoho Books. First, you have to log into your Zoho Books account. And if you don't see a payroll or employee section on your dashboard, then it means payroll features may not be enabled in your current plan. Zoho Books manages salary payment through integration with Zoho Payroll. And to add salary, you will need to set up Zoho Payroll and connect it with Zoho Books. And once you've integrated it, you can enter employee salary details, including basic pay, allowances, and deductions, directly in Zoho Payroll. Payroll transactions will then sync automatically to Zoho Books as journal entries. And if you don't have Zoho Payroll, you can consider subscribing to it or upgrading your Zoho Books plan to access payroll features. And this integration ensures accurate tracking of salaries and helps you keep your accounting records updated. And that's it. That's how you add salary in Zoho Books. And I hope that this video was helpful and make sure to like and subscribe.